The farm look is as hot as ever. This is American Farmhouse, and we've taken it a step up this year, and there's so many new pieces that are incredible. You've got to stop by and see our new farmhouse. But some of our new features here are some of the new wall art, or our wall decorations and mirrors, some new clocks that bring in all the elements of metal with the combination of some of these beautiful wood tones. The look is clean and simple, and it's also trendy. When you're looking for comfort in the home, the farmland is the heartland of America, and it's so comfortable to us. And our herb garden is a beautiful place to be, mainly because of the scent and just having nature around you all day. Our pockets have been proven for the last couple of years, and they will continue to be strong this year. Along in our herb garden, we have some new additions this year. We've added lavender. It comes in a couple of different centerpiece styles, one long and low, one in a round bucket container, all in galvanized, and this beautiful little wall pocket. For the last several years, we've been using signs on every wall in our home. We've come up with some great ideas now that you can put on your tabletops. We have 4 different ones that are framed in wood with the cutout metal little sentiment inside: welcome, coffee, laundry, and kitchen. Red, white, and black is also 3 very important colors in the farmhouse this season. We've had it in the last couple years, but it's still going to be a strong element. Here you'll see some new animals, our farm animals, with the chickens, and the black and white are tones of gray that are a beautiful accent to your farmhouse scape. For a fun look with sort of a country feel, some of our new chickens with the bright red combs, and other farm animals such as cows and sheep, all dressed in their black and white. Whimsical birds and chickens, black and white with a country flavor. And no farm goes without a whimsical cat and dog. New wall art with a glossy finish and black and white. Black and white drawings of farms, barns, silos, chickens, and cows. The barnyard is not complete without a rooster and a hen. This exclusive artwork can be seen in our new wall banners, wall pictures, trays, and little buckets, along with your little bags. There are a lot of new sculpts in our American Farmhouse with these new chickens and roosters. There's also some ducks and geese. You will find some new farm equipment, a new tractor in copper and wood, along with our new red tractor and pulling cart. Some more wood and metal pieces you'll find in our American Farmhouse are some of our utilitarian pieces, such as buckets, trays with metal handles, and some of our new shelves that are hosting our new whimsical farm animals.